welcome back to our channel. These are the days. Today we're going to show you our minimalist apartment. We're a family of 5 with a large dog and we live in a 2-bedroom apartment. We are going to be moving in a few months, but we've lived here for over a year. So I wanted to show you guys how we do it. Let's go inside. So this is obviously the entryway. It's not a huge place. It's 1,000 square feet. It's 2 bedrooms. We'll go in the living room first. When we first moved in here, we were just a family of 4. And since we've lived here, we've had a baby and gotten a German Shepherd. So yeah, we're going to be moving, but not necessarily to a bigger place, just to another state. But it still works for us. Even as our family has grown, we've made it work and it's been great. This is the living room. There's not a lot to it. We had a lot of plants in here before, but we got rid of those recently. Mostly just because we are moving soon. We don't have like cable or anything, but we do like to watch movies as a family, or the kids like to play on the Switch. This is our dining area. We have a pretty good sized table and it fits everyone, and our large meals. We've got a deep freezer. We just got this recently. And it's actually been really nice because we have a pretty small freezer and we like to just keep everything stocked. I thought we would do more meal prepping,
we do.
But it's pretty well stocked. Wayne makes a lot of smoothies, so we keep a lot of frozen produce in there. Our other freezer was really small and we probably could have made it work, but this is just kind of like a little extra that we have just because it makes life easier. I like to just keep the counters really clear, but the things we use every day stay out. So for example, Wayne makes smoothies every day and Jason makes smoothies almost every day, so that stays out. And then all of the accessories for it and other appliances go under here. A crock pot, a food saver, a toaster, and like a spiralizer. Also, we keep our large 5-gallon water jugs in there. And then this has been awesome. I really love this thing because we go through so much water, and we were buying gallons and we didn't really have anywhere to put like a large water dispenser. But then I found this and I love it. So we use this every day all the time. And then we just keep the extra gallons in there. There's also a large cutting board in there. These are just like spices and food cabinets up here. And our dishes start here. We have Tupperware right there. Some of it's in the fridge holding leftovers, but that's mostly what we have. And then a few large bowls and strainer up there, and the measuring cup. Cups and water bottles and things go there. This is my Nespresso, so I keep that out because I use it every day. Plates, bowls, my coffee stuff goes up there. We don't really use our dishwasher because it doesn't work very well, so we mostly just wash dishes by hand, which helps just keep everything really clean. Under here is our cleaning supplies. We have been using paper towels, but we're trying to cut back and start using rags. So that's why we have all those paper towels. Some pans under here. We don't have a whole lot. We have like 2 pans and like maybe 3 or 4 pots. Here's our utensil drawer. The stuff for cooking goes in there. And I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't always look like this, but I wanted it laid out neatly for you guys so you can see what we have, but it's not always uniform like that. And then these are mostly gadgets and things that we don't use as often. And then we keep our plastic bags in there. We use those, but we also try to wash and reuse them too. And then under here we have things for baking. Also, our burners are really dirty, so just look away. And that's it. That's our whole kitchen. So there's nothing else really to show in here. Back through here, through the entryway, is the kids' room. And the kids are sharing a room currently, but I'm sure we'll probably change this eventually because Jason's getting older and now we have 2 girls, so they'll probably share a room and he'll have his own space. But for now, they're still sharing. We've made that work by putting a room divider in here, and we have a tutorial up about how to make this, so if you guys are interested in that, you can check out the other video about that. It's nice because they open it up during the day and it just makes a big space. Jason's in school right now, so Julia has the whole room to herself during the day usually. In here, they keep their stuff. Jason's stuff is up there. All of his little toys and activities are up there, games, and he's building something there. All his clothes, they have this. So Julia's things are here, Jason's are here, and then they have little side pockets for like socks. And then all Julia's toys are on this side. And she's got a bunch of hands-on toys. She has an art set, like those magnetic tiles that she loves to play with, blocks, Legos. She has some homeschooling stuff up there. And then she has this dollhouse. This is just filled with dollhouse accessories, play food and cooking tea sets and things like that here, and then like a few board games back there. She has all her doll stuff. Also, her bed has some storage, so she keeps, I don't know if there's anything in here, like a couple couple things in there. Her dress up stuff. She likes to dress up and play with her princess dresses. This drawer doesn't open. And then a few things in there and her books. So that's it. This is the bathroom that all the kid stuff is in, but we've mostly all been using this shower because it's a lot bigger. So here is all of our stuff for the shower. Everything is kept in a caddy, it just helps keep it organized. There's a cabinet here, and that's just where we keep toothbrushes and hair stuff for the kids. And there's not really anything under this cabinet, I don't think. Toilet paper, we're running low. And then the plunger and stuff. I forgot, in the living room area we have a little storage. There's a closet right here. The broom, normally the vacuum's in there, I don't know where it is. The mop. And then this hanging little box thing I made just holds all of our electronics and video game stuff. And then up here is all of the stuff we've kept, like all of our sentimentals, pictures, photo albums, and just things that we've accumulated that are our sentimentals that we just keep. We also have this closet, which we keep just kind of random stuff. Right now there's 3 Christmas trees in there that my mom gave the kids for Christmas, but those are going to go back to her. This is also where we keep all of our shoes. We don't have a lot. I have like 5 pairs. Julia has a few, Jason has a few, and Wayne has a few. We have our light that we use to make videos, luggage. There's like a few miscellaneous things in here. The gate, and this came off of the sliding door. We have our room, but the baby is asleep, so I'll show you the patio first. This is our patio, and we have bikes. Kuno's out here right now, just so we could do video. Washer, dryer, the barbecue grill, outside stuff. This is our bedroom. Also serving as a nursery. Everything for the baby is in this room. So her swing, her other swing, her glider chair and ottoman, and her little bed is over there. And it folds up, so I put it there during the day just to like keep the space open. And then my side table is just serving as like a changing station, and I keep my nursing stuff there. Closet holds a lot. My clothes, Wayne's clothes, the baby's clothes. Changing stuff, baby toys are in this box. My clothes, our clothes go right in here. Our pants in there, underwear, bras, bags. And back there is just a couple spare linens. Baby carriers are hanging up. And then over here is Wayne's clothes. And some extras, a catch-all, like loose change. Some of our files and documents are back there. Down there is where we keep her car seat when we're not using it. And there's our vacuum. Our room, there's also a bathroom attached, but we don't shower in here. All of our stuff, and also all of our like medicine and stuff is under there. We keep towels here, toothbrushes and razors and stuff over there. My makeup drawer, hair stuff, and like some other extras. And then that just holds like a lot of other random things. All right, well, Jason's going home from school. The baby needs to eat, so we are gonna wrap it up. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and please like this video. Bye.